Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video we are talking about the MyChart app, what it is and how to use it step by step to manage your healthcare right from your phone. Let's get started. MyChart is a secure health management app provided by hospitals and clinics. It allows you to view your medical records and test results, schedule or manage appointments, message your doctor, request prescription refills, pay medical bills online. It basically connects you with your healthcare providers, making it easier to keep track of your health anywhere, anytime. Now let's move to how to use it. First, to do that, you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. So search MyChart on the search bar at the top of the page, and after this icon pops up, tap on that. Then tap on Install, and after installing it, open up your app. Log in using the username and password provided by your clinic or hospital. If you don't have an account, you may need to sign up through your healthcare provider's website first. Now once logged in, you'll see the home dashboard. This is where you can check your upcoming appointments, view messages from your healthcare team, access your test results and records, see billing and payments. The layout may vary slightly depending on your provider, but the main tools are all here. To schedule or manage appointment, tap the appointments section, choose schedule new appointment and select the type of visit you need. Pick an available date and time, then confirm. You can also reschedule or cancel existing appointments from here. Now to contact your doctor, tap the messages tab, select send a message and choose your provider. Type your question or concern, then send it securely. This is great for follow-up questions without needing an office visit. For prescriptions, tap the medication tab to see your current prescriptions and request refills. Test results, tap results to instantly view lab work, imaging reports and other test updates shared by your doctor. You can also manage billing inside the app. Tap the billing section to view statements and securely pay your medical bills with a card or bank account. And that is how you can use the MyChart app step by step. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like if it did and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.